morning guys! Welcome to Marikina City. This is the Barangka flyover guys. Turning left to A. Bonifacio Avenue. Going to city of Marikina. Ingat lang kayo dito guys kasi medyo ano dito. Medyo maluwang. So, ingat lang. Hello Marikina. Kita ko na yung SM City Marikina. Pababa na po tayo guys ng Barangay Barangka. Tapos Riverbanks na guys. Ito yung Andres Bonifacio Avenue. Ano nga pala guys, anniversary ngayon ni araw na Bonifacio Day today guys. Bonifacio Day. Hello Marikina. Pagdating nyo sa stoplight guys, turning right, yan yung Riverbanks Mall. Hello Barangay Barangka, shout out. Ayan na guys, yan yung Riverbanks. Nakikita ko na yung Riverbanks guys. Riverbanks Mall. Good.